He's wagging his tail. He wants to be friends. Look, it's trying to come this way, and he jumps this way. He's going that way. I'll get you from the back, but you can't turn around.
He's gonna hit his head.
Salty, you better be careful. That thing will bite you.
He'll get over it.
You should see him, Bobby.
I'm so comfortable. I'm not getting up and walking over there. I'll scream at me and
You'll know when he gets
he's
big.
doing that, Kelsey.
You'll know when he gets big. He'll be
Salty
like,
dog.
I can see Salty's tail wagging down his mouth.
Oh, yeah. Now the crab must be playing dead because
Crabs
Salty's
don't
trying
play
to make
dead.
something move and nothing's moving.
I see the lizard in the tree.
Did you see him? He's got something on his rear. I wonder if it's looking right at him. Guys, Salty, don't get your ear pinched.
Oh God. I want like his
Now he's
nose
looking for
to
the
be
iguana. Make sure it's not sneaking up on you, Salty. It might be. That iguana might be behind you, boy. That'd be funny.
if it jumps on him. I pet an iguana.
Look,
There was a guy at
look at
Moonlight
him.
Movies with one.
Like, get out of there. I know you're in there. Look out! Salty, careful!
He just made a little bark.
What? Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard the snap, but it didn't pinch him.
Is it him snapping or the thing snapping?
It's this thing snapping.
Salty, you're going to come out with a lip. Dog on your lip. Crab on your lip.
That would be so funny. I don't want to watch him. Grandma, let him get pinned.
Holly, dear.
Yeah, if he gets pinned, he won't bother it.
I'm afraid that it's been...
Come, boy. Ball. Ball, Salty. Ball.
I need a squeaky ball.
Ball. Come on. Ball.
That makes him come.
Where's the squeaky ball at? Ball, Salty.
Salty, come.
Ball.
Here. Salty, here. Here. Ball. Come. Come. Oh.
I just need to go up close.
He'll come over here in a minute. Please come on. He's not barking. Yeah.
I just want to be your friend.